Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fazil Javaid. I am reading in class 9th in MSI Mazgam. Today I am in front of you to deliver my presentation on drugs. Drug is a Dutch word which is derived from a Dutch word drug and which means dry. Drug is a natural or a chemical substance that is used to modify the chemical processes. But according to the definition of WHO, the drug is a substance when administered or taken into one system affect the mental processes, for example, perception, consciousness, cognition, mood, and emotions. Now let's try to understand with the simple examples how does the drugs work. When we do anything that we like, for example, when we eat our favorite food or when we play our favorite sport, we feel happy. That is due to our brain releases hundreds of neurotransmitters. That means that our brain releases hundreds of chemical substances, or we can say that hundreds of hormones. But when it comes to addiction, there is a special kind of hormone which is dopamine hormone. But when we take drugs, our brain releases excessive amount of dopamine hormone which lets us to feel happy. We want to take drugs regularly. Not only we become a drug addict, we used to increase the dose of drugs day by day and thus become a drug addict. Now what's a drug addict? It's a physical or a psychological state when a person is dependent on drugs. Or we can say that when a person is physically or mentally dependent on drugs, he is a drug addict person. And a drug addict person has many symptoms. For example, unsteady gait, loss of interest in sports, loss of appetite, clumsy movement, and tremors. Now we will discuss about the different types of drugs. So first of all, we will discuss about the alcohol. Alcohol is a chemical substance which does not need proper digestion. It's immediately digested by the stomach and the upper intestines and thus by transported to the blood. The alcohol acts as a sedative. That is, it decreases the efficiency of our organs to work. The second one is tobacco. The tobacco is a drug which is derived from the curved and dry leaves of two species of the tobacco plant. First one is Nicotina rustica and second one is Nicotina tabacum. These are the two species of the tobacco plant from which the tobacco is obtained. The tobacco contains a very harmful chemical substance called nicotine. Also, the smoke of tobacco is very harmful. It contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and many polycyclic hydrocarbons and thus it's very harmful drug. Third one is opioid. The opioids are those drugs which bind with the opioid receptors present inside the nervous system. The examples of opioids are latex of the poppy, or we can say that the latex of the plant Papaver somniferum. The Papaver somniferum is the botanical name of the plant poppy. It's mostly cultivated in the area of South Kashmir. Fourth one is cannabis. Fourth one is cannabinoids. The cannabinoids are obtained from the cannabis sativa plant. And the examples of cannabinoids are ganja and charas. Cannabinoids are those drugs which bind or interact with the cannabinoids obtained from the plant and these are present inside the human body. Fifth one is cocaine. The cocaine is obtained from a plant called Athrox xylem and the Athrox xylem is the botanical name of the plant coca. And the examples of cocaine are datura. Dear friends, thank you for your patience. Thank you.